the life look. O God, I bless thee for the happy moment when I first saw thy law fulfilled in Christ. Wrath appeased, death destroyed, sin forgiven, my soul saved. Ever since thou hast been faithful to me, daily have I proved the power of Jesus' blood. Daily have I known the strength of the Spirit, my teacher, director, sanctifier. I want no other rock to build upon than that I have, desire no other hope than that of gospel truth, need no other look than that which gazes on the cross. Forgive me if I have tried to add anything to the one foundation, if I have unconsciously relied upon my knowledge, experience, deeds, and not seen them as filthy rags. I have attempted to complete what is perfect in Christ. May my cry be always, only Jesus, only Jesus. In him is freedom from condemnation, fullness of his righteousness, eternal vitality in his given life, indissoluble union in fellowship with him. In him I have all that I can hold. Enlarge me to take in more. If I backslide, let me, like Peter, weep bitterly and return to him. If I am tempted and have no wit, give me strength enough to trust in him. If I am weak, may I faint upon his bosom of eternal love. If in extremity, let me feel that he can deliver me. If driven to the verge of hope and to the pit of despair, grant me grace to fall into his arms. O God, hear me, do for me more than I ask, think, or dream.